these two pieces have swapped, but then these two pieces have been rearranged a little bit. And suddenly, you've got the same 5 by, you can count it and double check, 5 by 13 triangle, right? But now there's a hole, right? So the area of this triangle here is, well, it's going to be 5 by 13 on 2, right? Which I think is 32.5 units. Yes? Okay. But then you have a look at this thing, and you're like, well, it's going to be that 32.5 units minus 1. Because there's something which isn't covered by a coloured thing, right? So how is it that just by rearranging, we have made a square disappear? Okay, take it.
It's because of the slant, the area that's covered by the angle, like the slant, the parts of the slant, they've changed. Okay, good, right. Let's go on this idea. Slant is exactly the nature of the problem. I think if you could summarize what's the problem with this, because it's not really a paradox, it's a bit of a cheat. Really, it's an optical illusion. Okay. The reason why is slant is the issue. It looks like, remember I said this, it looks like it's a triangle, doesn't it? Okay. This thing here, but in fact, it is not a triangle at all. It is actually a quadrilateral. Okay. Do you want to give us some more detail, Raphael?
Because the gradient of the blue triangle is different to the gradient of the red.
Very good. Okay, so there's a couple of ways you can talk about this, right? Because you guys know trig, it might be easiest to talk about it in those terms, though you can see it without, okay? Have a look at the blue triangle. You can see that its dimensions are 2 by 5, right? 2 by 5. But if you have a look at this triangle here, it's 3 by 8, I believe, right? 3 by 8, which is not the same. These two triangles are not similar. They look similar, but they're not actually similar. Okay. Now, because they're not similar, you can use trig to do this. But actually, yeah, let's do that. Get your calculators out. Get your calculators out. Now, suppose I just rephrase the question a little bit. It is drawn on a grid, so even though the triangles aren't what they appear, they are still right-angled triangles. So, for instance, let's have a look at the blue one. I've got a right angle here, okay? So use trig, how might we determine, for instance, what the size of this angle is? How would we work out its size?